with the help of smartphone how to learn English. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gyan Ka Safar 0.7. In today's video I'm going to talk about that how to learn English with the help of smartphone. Because my dear friends, you all have smartphone. Yes, so how to use the phone in a proper way and with the help of cell phone, smartphone, how we can learn English and how we can improve our English communication. So without any further ado, let's start the video. My dear friends, as you all know that for learning any kind of language we need environment, we need atmosphere. Without having environment we cannot learn and improve any kind of language. But still without having any kind of environment we can learn English only with the help of smartphone. So my dear friends, in this video I will tell you how to use your phone to learn English language. Yes, because I'm learning English all alone at my home only because of with the help of my phone, only with the help of my smartphone. So my dear friends, I'll tell you how to use your phone to learn this English language. So let's start. My dear friends, first of all you have to listen a lot. So how will you listen? On YouTube. We all run YouTube, right? So on YouTube you can learn, on YouTube you can watch, you can listen lot of speakers, lot of learners and tweeters. There are a lot of materials, lot of videos are available on YouTube. With the help of YouTube you can create environment, you can make environment and you can surround yourself with English language. You know, for learning English language, what the thing that you have to do? First you have to listen a lot. Listening is very important in order to learn any kind of language. If you want to learn any kind of language, then for that first of all you have to listen a lot. So try to listen, okay, try to listen to the native speaker or anything you can listen in English, okay. So with the help of your phone, your smartphone, you watch the videos and listen podcast every day. Whenever you are getting time, at that time try to listen and try to watch, okay, and definitely it will help you a lot to improve your English communication. Yes, and if you want to interact with someone, if you want to talk with someone, then for that there are a lot of applications available on Play Store. With the help of Play Store you can download the application that how to interact with learners, how to talk with beginners in English. Definitely you will get lot of application and freely you can call anyone and you can talk to anyone without paying any money. So my dear friends, phone is very helpful for all of us if we know that how to use the phone. Yes, and one more thing, let me tell you, after doing these all kind of things, practice is very important. So how will you do practice? On your own with the help of your phone. My dear friends, just record yourself, record, just take a particular topic and try to discuss about the topic, face the camera, yes, and try to speak more and more things. What the benefits you will get while recording your videos, my dear friends, because at some time we speak wrong sentences or we use wrong grammar rules. So when we shall watch our video or our topic, then we will get the point that where I'm making mistakes. That's why it could be the best ideas, it can be a good habits I think for you to improve your English, okay. Every day record yourself, try to talk about any topic and record yourself, and gradually you will be able to enhance and build your confidence and your vocabulary and your knowledge. Yes, so try to talk with your phone, definitely one day you will become very perfect in English language, and it will become very easy for you to learn and speak with anyone confidently and without any hesitation, without any fear, without getting stuck. So my dear friends, you can take a lot of help with the help of your smartphone. So start doing these all the things whatever I have explained in this video. Really you will get to see a lot of changes in yourself day by day, and sure one day you will be able to improve your English. So my dear friends, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Take care of yourself, take care of your family. Bye bye my dear friends.